Hi, let's discuss another example of compound automata. Your language is number of A is even and number of B is odd. Alphabet is AB. First I will design for number of A is even, then I will design for number of B is odd, then I will do the AND of both the DFA. Now it will accept number of A is even. It will accept 0A, then 1, 2A, then 3, 4A like this. And B can be any number, so you can make a self loop of B. Now this is the DFA that accept number of A is even, E for even, O for odd. Now I'll design another DFA that accept number of B is odd. It will accept 1B, then 2, 3B, then 4, 5B like this. And number of A can be any number, so you can make a self loop of A. Now this is the DFA that accept number of B is odd. Now I'll do AND of both. If you are confused in EO, then you just write some other name like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we'll find M1 intersection M2 will do both and. You can do directly from the transition diagram or you can construct transition table like this, and from transition table you can construct the compound automata. So what will be initial state? Both initial state will be initial state, so EE will be initial state. And how many state will be there? There will be 4 state. Here 2 state, here 2 state, 2 multiplied by 2, it is 4 state. Here first E is for A, second E is for B. This is even, odd, even. This is even, odd. This is odd, odd. And here the language is number of A is even and number of B is odd. That's why this is the final state. So now from E by A, where it will go? From E by A it go to O, and from this E by A it go to E. So it will go to OE. By A it will go to OE state. Then by B where it go? From this by B it go to E, and from this by B it go to O. So by B it will go to E O state. Now we'll do for this state, that is odd even state, from OE, from this and this. From O by A it go to E, from E by A it go to E. So from OE by A it will go to even state. By B where it go? By B it go to O, and by B it go to O. So it will go to odd state. Now we'll find for even odd state. From E by A it go to odd, and from odd by A it go to odd. Even odd by A it will go to ordered state. Now by B where it go? From E by B it go to E, and from O by B it go to E. So by B it will goes to EE state. Now we'll find for odd state. From odd by A it go to even, and from this odd by A it go to odd state. So it will goes to even odd state. And by B, here by B it goes to odd state itself, and by B it goes to even. So from this by B it will goes to odd even state. You can directly do the transition diagram or you can create the table for simplicity. Now this is the DFA that accept number of A is even and number of B is odd. Here number of state is 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Let's write some string and check whether it is accepting or not. Okay, now just check single A. Here number of A is even. No, here A length is 1 and number of A is 1. 1 is odd. And number of B is odd. Here no B is present, so this is not belongs to language. Now just check by A where it go. By A it goes to OE state, and that is non-final, so it don't accept. Now just check A. Number of A is even, yes. But here it is written and number of B is odd, and here B is not present, or you can say number of B is 0 and 0 is not odd. So just check A is accept or not. By A it go to odd even, then by A it go to even, and that is not accept. Now just check single B. Here number of A is 0 and 0 is even. Number of B is 1 and 1 is odd. So this belongs to this language. Now just check by B where it go. By B it goes to even odd, and that will be accept. This is the final step, so it will accept. Now just check B. Here number of A is 0 even, but number of B is 2 and 2 is not odd. That's why this will not accept. Now just check B where it go. By B it go to even odd, then by another B it come to even. So it's don't accept. Now check A. Number of A is 2 is even. Number of B is 1 is odd. So this belongs to this language. Now just check. By A it go to odd even state. then by B it go to odd state, then by A it come to even odd state, and that will accept because this is the final state. Now let's check A, B, A, B, B. Here number of A is 2, 2 is even. Number of B is 3, 3 is odd. So this should accept. Now just check. So from even by A it goes to odd even. Then by B it comes to odd odd. Then by A it goes to even odd. Then by B it goes to even even. Then by B it comes to even odd, and this is the final state, so this accept. So this string which having even number of A's and odd number of B's will be accepted by this TFN. Here number of A is even and number of B is odd, so even odd is the final state. Suppose it is asking number of A is even and number of B is even, then even will be the final state. E will be the final state. If number of A is odd and number of B is even, then OE will be the final state. Now if number of A is odd and number of B is odd, then OO will be the final state. If it is asking number of A is even or number of B is even, then wherever even is present, wherever E will be present, that will be the final state. So EE will be final state, OE will be final state, EO will be final state. There will be three final states. If number of A is odd or number of B is even, OE will be final state, OO will be final state, EE will be final state. Here number of A is odd, so that's why here O, and number of B is even, that's why this E and this E will be final state. If number of A is even or number of B is odd, then EO, EE and OO will be the final state. So you can just change the final state and that will accept some different language. Thank you.